Looking for great Kwikset locks for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, the SmartCode 913 Touchpad Electronic Deadbolt is a one-to-notch locking motorized deadbolt. With your personalized code, you can enter your home with the convenience of keyless entry, and the backlit keypad provides increased visibility by Kwikset. Number 2, the SmartCode Touchpad Smart Lock with Home Connect technology enables the lock to wirelessly communicate with other devices in home. The lock allows the user through a web-enabled device to remotely check the door lock status, lock or unlock the door, and receive notifications. Another great product by Kwikset. Number 3, SmartCode is easy to install, program and use, and operates on 4 AA batteries. It also features SmartKey security as the backup keyway. The crisp, clean appearance of the satin nickel finish adds to the overall look of the product and brings a modern feel. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.